The world of project management software often conjures images of bustling offices, Gantt charts spanning across multiple screens, and teams collaborating on complex business initiatives. Tools like Wrike, with their robust feature sets and enterprise-level capabilities, are typically associated with professional workflows. But a question that increasingly pops up, especially in our digitally interconnected lives, is, can I use Wrike for personal use? As a seasoned project management expert, my answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's a nuanced exploration of Wrike's capabilities, its potential benefits and drawbacks in a personal context, and ultimately, whether it aligns with your individual needs and organizational style. Let's delve into the intricacies of applying a powerful business tool to the realm of personal life. Understanding Wrike. A quick overview. Before we explore its personal applications, it's crucial to understand what Wrike is at its core. Wrike is a comprehensive project management platform designed to help teams plan, manage, and track their work efficiently. Its key features typically include task management, creating, assigning, prioritizing, and tracking tasks with due dates, dependencies, and custom statuses. Project planning, utilizing Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and other visual tools to map out project timelines and workflows. Collaboration, facilitating communication and file sharing among team members through comments, mentions, and integrated document management. Time tracking, monitoring the time spent on tasks for better resource allocation and productivity analysis. Reporting and analytics, generating insights into project progress, team performance, and resource utilization. Automation, setting up automated workflows to streamline repetitive tasks and ensure consistency. Integrations, connecting with other business tools like email, calendar, and CRM systems. These features are undeniably powerful and contribute to enhanced productivity and organization within a team environment. But how do they translate to managing personal endeavors? The allure of Wrike for personal use, potential benefits. Despite its business-centric design, Wrike offers several features that can be surprisingly beneficial for personal organization. Centralized task management. Imagine having a single, organized space for all your personal to-dos, from household chores and bill payments to planning vacations and personal development goals. Wrike allows you to create tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibility, even if it's just to yourself, and track their progress. This eliminates the chaos of scattered notes, mental reminders, and disparate lists. Goal setting and tracking. Personal life is often filled with aspirations, learning a new skill, completing a home renovation, writing a book. Wrike's project planning capabilities can help you break down these large goals into smaller, manageable tasks with defined timelines. Visualizing your progress on a Gantt chart or Kanban board can provide motivation and keep you on track. Managing recurring responsibilities. Many aspects of personal life involve recurring tasks, weekly grocery shopping, monthly bill payments, annual car maintenance. Wrike allows you to set up recurring tasks with reminders, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks and establishing consistent routines. Collaborating with family members. For shared household responsibilities or family projects like planning a trip or organizing a family event, Wrike can act as a central collaboration hub. You can assign tasks to different family members, share relevant documents, and keep everyone informed of progress. Time management and productivity. While personal life might not always require meticulous time tracking, understanding how you spend your time on personal projects can be insightful. Wrike's time tracking features can help you identify time-wasting activities and optimize your personal productivity. Information organization. Wrike allows you to attach files, add comments, and create detailed descriptions for tasks and projects. This can be invaluable for organizing information related to personal projects, such as recipes for a cooking project, research for a personal learning endeavor, or vendor quotes for a home renovation. Customization and flexibility. Wrike offers a high degree of customization. You can create custom workflows, fields, and views tailored to your specific personal needs. This flexibility allows you to adapt the tool to manage anything from a simple to-do list to a complex personal project. The challenges of using Wrike for personal use, potential drawbacks. While the benefits are enticing, There are also significant challenges to consider when contemplating Wrike for personal use. Overkill of features. Wrike is designed for team collaboration and complex projects. Many of its features, such as advanced reporting, resource management, and enterprise-level integrations, might be redundant and overwhelming for individual users. Navigating this feature-rich environment for simple personal tasks can feel like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Complexity and learning curve. Compared to simpler to-do list apps or personal organization tools, Wrike has a steeper learning curve. Understanding its various views, functionalities, and customization options requires time and effort. For individuals seeking a quick and easy solution, this complexity can be a significant barrier. Cost considerations. Wrike's pricing structure is primarily geared towards teams and businesses. While they might offer limited free plans or trial periods, the cost of a paid subscription for personal use might be prohibitive compared to dedicated personal organization apps that often come with lower or one-time fees. Collaboration focus. Many of Wrike's core features are built around team collaboration. If you primarily intend to use it for individual tasks and projects, these collaborative functionalities might feel unnecessary and clutter the interface. Mobile app limitations. While Wrike does offer mobile apps, their functionality might be more focused on team communication and task updates rather than streamlined personal task management on the go. Dedicated personal productivity apps often have more intuitive and user-friendly mobile experiences. Potential for over-organization. While organization is beneficial, there's a risk of over-engineering your personal life with a tool as robust as Wrike. Spending more time managing your tasks within the system than actually doing them can negate the intended productivity benefits. Who might find Wrike useful for personal use? Despite the potential drawbacks, certain individuals might find Wrike a valuable tool for personal organization. Individuals managing complex personal projects. If you frequently undertake large and multifaceted personal projects, such as home renovations, event planning, or creative endeavors involving multiple stages and stakeholders, even if they are family members, Wrike's project management capabilities can be highly beneficial. Those seeking a unified system. If you dislike using multiple apps for different aspects of your personal life and prefer a single, integrated platform for task management, goal tracking, and information organization, Wrike can provide that central hub. Tech-savvy individuals comfortable with complexity. If you are comfortable navigating complex software and enjoy the power and customization options that Wrike offers, the learning curve might not be a significant deterrent.